Hi, this is Andy from the HPP Group, and in this short video we're going to look at how to establish a network printer. Easiest process here from the Windows search area at the bottom of the screen here. If I simply start to type in the word printers, it gives me printers and scanners as my option. I'm going to left mouse click to select that, and here we see printers and scanners is added here. What we have here is a list of printers and scanners that the system already knows about. To add another one, as it says here, add a printer or scanner, I just simply click on add device, and then the system will do a bit of a scan, finds this particular HP printer, in my case, as not an installed device, and all I now need to do is simply click add device, and it will add this specific printer to the ones already listed. Thanks for watching.